Hi friend, this is Raj. In these days, it is a circumstance for us and everyone who is preparing for the higher studies like UPSC, SSC, CGLs and any others who is preparing for the examinations, competitive examinations and any kind of the examinations. You have need to sacrifice some important things because whenever you have studies, you have spoiling your age, you have investing your times, so much things you have doing. You have need to be a iron man, so that if you have find in all kind of the things studying well as well, and you have doing the confrontations to each others, you have need to recognize many things in our societies, in your bodies, and it is the basic fundamentals of the humans life. Being a humans, it is responsibilities to everyone to improve your knowledge, improve your guidelines and improve your vocabulary powers, and confront in front of the any audience and in front of the any persons. One day when you will be stop your days, the problems should be start to be come out in the initial stage, and you will be see that after sometimes later every problems will be gone and you will be wins all over the things. You have the powers, the persons which have the powers to solve all kind of the things, because I as a aspirant, I am also a student of the competitive examinations. We have also sacrificed a lot of things, and I have studied more than 16 hours in a day. It is not enough to everyone. It is enough that if you are studying for 5 or 6 hours in a day, it will be all kind of the competitive examinations can be solved, and it can be approved by the yourself. Because in this competitive examinations, in this competitive days, you have needs to sacrifice more and more and boost your memory power and get and win and reached at the higher point of the peak. We are saying their peak because this is the everyone responsibilities who is trying, who is sacrifice these all kind of the things in the societies. They have the opportunities to reach at the high point. This videos is for those persons who is having the more confrontations, who is having the capacities to bear all kind of the situations, who is tolerating some kind of the actions, and in futures they will be get succeed. And I will be start our education channel. I will be tell you all kind of the questions which has been recently have been scams in the examinations, which has been came in past years, past 10 years in the examinations. I will tell you in the other videos. But this is the recognitions to ourselves. We have need to recognize to ourselves. First of all, we have need to believe to the ourselves so that we can solve at any problems. If you have the confidence, if you have the capacities, if you have the knowledge, if you have some kind of the activities, you have boosting day by day your knowledge, and one day you will be reached at the peak like mountains. You see, the times will become. First you start your days. After being, if you have, for example, we are telling you, if you have started any business at any jobs, first days you see that you will be face some problems, and during the problems you have just remember all of the things. When the problems will become, then you will remember to yourself and you will be improved to the yourself, and you will be learn to everything at that times, so that your knowledge will be pushed and it will be reached at the high levels. And don't fear at anybody's, at any content. because every content is important for you, because you can solve all of the things and you have reached at the peak of the mountain. You can win all of the race. For examples, there's we are saying one examples to you. Uh, One times in the past few times later, I studies in the books that the race was between the rabbit and the turtle. Both are running from the one point to another point where the wind lines have been crossed. But the rabbit was very rapidly fast runnings. It has across 1 kilometers more than 2 or 3 minutes. 3 minutes is more. But for the turtles is more than 2 hours. There is the reasons is that the destinations have been defined by the turtles and the rabbits. The rabbits think that if I will be run very fast, I will finish in 2 or 3 minutes. But there is one situation is to be created the times when the rabbits have been run out from the starting point for the win. When he was on the way, he think that he get tired. For some times he will take a rest and then he has to feel napping at the times and he slept. And the turtles continuous have the practice. He was running and he have run the cross the lines. The reason is that slow and steady win the race. Slow and steady win the race. But if you have going for a very fastest way, there it may have to stop to ourselves. There is the continuous to ourselves in day by day in your life, because everything have to be finished in one day. Whose studies day by days and he is learning day by days, improving on knowledge day by days, and one days he will be win all of the races. Slow and studies win the race. Second thing is that if you want to make your history, so that you have need to perform yourself, sacrifice many types of the things in your life, then you will be succeed and you will be sacrificed. Don't fear your perspirations, don't fear your sweet. If sweet will be there in your face, in your head, in your body, definitely one day you will be make a history in your life. This is my motivational videos, because I want to tell you which is the aspirant has been preparing for the higher level examinations. They have need to remember to think this motivational videos and improve your life and boost yourself with us. If any have complaints, any things, then you contact us. I have given in last my videos or numbers in the last of the sessions. This is important for us because we have discussing in all of the topics to solve the problems. So we are take rest, and I'm sure everyone will be win and fine with us, and take with rest and continuous hard working in studies, because it is our best weapons which crack all of the examinations easily. Thank you a lot.